All right, so we've discussed angles before, but now we're going to talk about the different types of angles that we'll see. So the first type of angle is called a right angle, and a right angle is just a corner like this. So you might have in a room, you might have 4 right angles because you'll have 4 corners of like a bedroom or a kitchen or something like that. A right angle is 90 degrees, and we're going to talk about what this 90 degrees thing means in just a second. Oftentimes you'll see a little box down here with a right angle. This indicates that it is in fact a 90 degree angle, a right angle. Another type of angle is an acute angle. An acute angle, you can kind of see, is a little bit pinched from the 90 degree angle, and it's less than 90 degrees. Now it could be 89 degrees, which will look very similar to a right angle, but if it's less than 90 degrees, then it's an acute angle. The last one we'll be talking about is an obtuse angle. And an obtuse angle is one that is larger than 90 degrees or wider than 90 degrees. And so we can see here that if this were a straight corner, then this angle extends even wider than 90 degrees. So what do we use to measure angles? Well, we use a device called a protractor, and this is what it looks like. And so a protractor helps us to measure angles by lining up the angle with this tool, and then we have all of these little numbers that we can use to measure what the actual angle is. So we'll be using that a lot this school year.